Jigsaw Trading versus NinjaTrader. Choosing the right futures trading platform can dramatically improve your trading results without unnecessary complexity. We'll look at Jigsaw Trading's precision tools and NinjaTrader's advanced automation to help you decide. Jigsaw Trading and NinjaTrader both serve futures traders but differ in approach. Jigsaw focuses on detailed order flow analysis and market depth, while NinjaTrader emphasizes customizable automation and comprehensive charting. Understanding this core difference is key to selecting the best fit. Jigsaw Trading is a platform built around order flow and market depth visualization. It offers tools like depth and sales, reconstructing the order book to reveal real-time buying and selling pressure. Traders use this to make precise entries and exits based on actual market activity rather than just price charts. Its strengths lie in clarity and simplicity for order flow, making it ideal for active futures day traders who rely on volume analysis. However, Jigsaw Trading does not provide extensive automated trading capabilities or advanced charting features, which can limit users looking for a one-stop solution. The platform integrates with popular brokers, but requires some learning to interpret order flow data effectively. Overall, Jigsaw Trading suits traders focused on manual execution with a deep understanding of market microstructure. NinjaTrader is a comprehensive futures trading platform known for its powerful charting, strategy automation, and extensive customization. It supports advanced order types and algorithmic trading, allowing users to build, backtest, and deploy automated strategies. NinjaTrader's interface is highly flexible, appealing to traders who want both manual and automated control. Its strengths include an extensive ecosystem of third-party apps and data feeds, plus a strong community for support and development. On the downside, NinjaTrader can be overwhelming for beginners due to its complexity and steep learning curve. It requires more setup time and technical knowledge compared to simpler platforms. NinjaTrader is best suited for futures traders who want to combine technical analysis with automated execution and who value flexibility over simplicity. Comparing Jigsaw Trading and NinjaTrader highlights a trade-off between focused order flow analysis and broad functionality. Jigsaw excels in providing clear, actionable market depth insights, perfect for discretionary traders prioritizing precision. NinjaTrader offers a wider toolkit including automation and advanced charting, ideal for traders looking to build complex strategies and automate execution. For example, a day trader relying on volume footprint charts will prefer Jigsaw's specialized tools, while a swing trader using algorithmic signals benefits from NinjaTrader's versatility. However, NinjaTrader's complexity may slow down traders who want quick, intuitive order flow data. Conversely, Jigsaw lacks NinjaTrader's automation and customization options. Choosing between them depends on whether you prioritize depth of order flow or breadth of trading tools. Choose Jigsaw Trading if you focus on manual futures trading with detailed order flow and market depth analysis for precise decision making. Opt for NinjaTrader if you want a powerful, customizable platform that supports both manual and automated futures trading with advanced charting and strategy development. Both platforms excel in their areas, so match your trading style to their strengths for the best results.